Okay guys, let me show you how to build a powerful blog using WordPress and Elementor and just a few plugins. This you will get this done in less than 3 minutes, or let's say in less than 20 minutes, or let's say it depends on what you want to achieve with your blog. But if I just starting blog, let me quickly show you some stuffs. Okay, let's get started. You have to log into your WordPress dashboard. So if you don't know what WordPress dashboard is, I think I'm going to do a different video on that, on how to get your domain and hosting space, and also how to create a WordPress account and a WordPress dashboard. So let's get started. So to do this, you come down to pages. Let's go down to new page. Under your dashboard, pages, add new. Let's name the page as blog. You can name it at anything since you're working with Elementor. Let's name it as blog. So you can name your blog anything. Let's just use the word blog for now and click on publish. Click on publish again. That is, you're clicking on publish twice. It's loading. Make sure this is on. Blog is now live. So just go back, press your back arrow key. So let's install the plugin. You install two plugins, Elementor and Blog Designer for Elementor. So you come down, scroll down to from this part, scroll down to where you see plugins. Click on add new. Okay, scroll down. Search for the blog, the plugins Elementor. Now, since I have Elementor installed already, all you just need to do is to click on install, then activate. Something like this: install now and activate. But I already have Elementor website builder, so I don't need to install again. So all you just need to do is to install and activate. Don't forget to click on deactivate after installing. So the next button you need to do is to search for. So the next one is to search for blog designer for Elementor. Once you have installed, you still come down to add new and follow the same process. Blog designer for Elementor. Loading. Now this is it. Blog designer for Elementor. This logo is very important. Blog designer by Elementor by CRM WordPress shop. So just also install and activate. So once you have done that, perfect. You come down. Once you have installed that, come down to pages, all pages. Let's go and look for the page we just created. Scroll down. I have other pages here. So this is the page we just created. You come down to edit. But before that, if you don't know how to add new posts, let me quickly show you. I intend to do that in another video, but let me show you on this. If you want to add a new post, just click on add new post, add new. This is where you do your post write-up and all that. Okay, this is where you add your new post, the title. Let's say blog tutorial. Then you start typing whatever you need to type. Okay, once you're done with that, the other part is to click on this part here, this post. Now this sticky is to make it the first post people will see once they come to your blog. It means once I click on this, this is the first post they'll see, but there's no need for you to click activate this since we have another post. Then we have the permalink, just leave this alone. Then we have categories. Which category do you want this to fall under? So I will also teach you how to create categories later on, but you can directly add a new category from here. Just click on add new, then you can type, let's say, tutorial, then just click add new. So that's marked it automatically. Now the featured image is very important. Which picture will people see once they come down to your site? So you can come down to upload file, choose the picture from here to upload. Not all sites have this, so you can also come down to this part. Not all WordPress come with this, so you can also search for tutorial and download directly online. So let's assume I want to go with this first picture. I'll click on it and click on save and insert, or you go down to upload file and upload your desired image. It's currently downloading. So I have my featured image here. So I think that is that for that. Just click on publish. Now you also repeat the same. You click on publish twice and press the back arrow key to go back to your dashboard. Now having done that, let me go down to all pages, then click on blog, click on edit. Once you come down to any of them, these options will appear. Now on blog, this one appear. Just click on edit. Since you have installed Elementor, automatically you get something like this. Edit with Elementor. Click on it. It will take you down to loading. It's loading. It will take you down to Elementor page builder, which is very, very important. Okay, so the first thing to do, this is Elementor background. The first thing to do is to type your URL. Okay, click and drag into this box. Click and drop. Then we have this. This is what we created, tutorial. But if you don't want this part to show, you have to work on your settings here. You have to work on your settings. Show title. You can hide that. Now to edit this part, you can just click on this button. Show title. You can hop. Show accept, you can off it, and also you can increase it, show post, meta gear and all that. But I think this setting is fine. This setting is cool with me. Now let's go down to the other parts of our business. So the next thing to do is to come down to your search here and type on premium, or just type blog, so it will come out on time. Just type blog. So this is what we use, premium blog. Click and drop. Now we have the settings. Now this is the sample post I use. So the person that the owner of this blog have to post a very long picture, which will affect the way your blog looks. So your picture should be like equal pictures so that we have a nice blog view. So we have our settings too. Is it classic you want? Under the sparse, you can just put classic, modern. Let your focus be on this. This is a classic view. Classic. The classic is down. Modern, like, we'll bring it up. I think I love this. Then you can adjust the offset, how near you want it. Just on this part. I think that is that for that. You can put equal height if you want to, for the height of your blog to be equal, on equal height. So, but just make sure you put a very good picture. Then your column, do you want 2 columns, that is 1, 2, or you want to increase to 3 columns? We have a 3 column setting, something like this, or you want to put 4 columns and all that. I think you can either use 2 or 3 because it looks nice. Then how many posts per page do you want? Posts per page. So this part we have about 4 posts on this page. You can increase to 20 posts per page. 20. So it will automatically load all the posts you have done so far on this page. Then there's also pagination for it to automatically load the other page under this part. Do you want pagination? Just click yes. Activate pagination. You can increase to 30 or 100 for the page limit. So the button you'll see is next. So do you want it to be at the left here, or at the right, or at the middle? So it depends on the flow you want. So our blog is set. So let's go and view what we have done so far. Okay, this is a view of our blog, but I don't like the way it's appearing. It needs to occupy both ends of this part. So let's go down and make the necessary changes. So on this part, click on this button here. So this part will change. So under here, just click on full width and click on stretch. Update. Don't forget to always click on this update so that your work can reflect. So let's refresh our work and see what we have done so far. You can see we now have a full screen. Very, very important. You can also work on this to make it a full screen if you want to, by repeating the same process. Scroll down under this part. You can make it a full box, or just increase this a little so that it won't be that full. Click on update. So that is that for creating blog. You install the plugins, Elementor, and blog designers for designer for your Elementor. You come down to, you create your page, you create a post and all that. So that is just the process on how to get a fantastic blog done. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to get your domain name, and in subsequent video, I'm also going to show you how to build a fantastic website. So you need website for that, your business, how to get a fantastic website and all that. So see you in the next video. Thanks.